Welcome to the Pet House. We bring you the world's most hilarious cat videos. Can you handle the cuteness and the comedy? Watch these funny moments and try not to laugh.
Investigation.
Jesus! Why?
Ну как больно мне.
Grabbing a few things that I need.
Stop it.
Ever wonder what cats do when they think no one is watching? Well, we found out. Today, our cats perform hilarious, unexpected stunts that are just too funny to miss. Hit that like button if you're ready for the comedy show.
Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow.
Meow.
Надо ко мне лезть. Не надо. Ах ты.
These are the funniest cats on the internet, and they're here to make your day.
哎呦我的妈！哎呦我的妈！Rosie. Rosie. Rosie.
These are not merely creatures of fur and claw, but little sprites of light and levity, gifted to us from the heavens above. They execute their antics, be they sudden magnificent leaps or the gentle bewildering tumble, with a pure and innocent heart.
Yar. Goodbye, Felicia.
Observe their movements, full of divine comedy and unexpected grace. When they perform their clumsy miracles and their most ridiculous endeavors, know that they are channeling the very laughter of the cosmos.
Oh my God!
Prepare your spirit to be uplifted, for to watch these funny moments is to receive a blessing of pure, unadulterated joy. May your heart be lightened, and your day be brightened by these truly angelic, hilarious souls. cats move with such precision and grace. But then they'll unexpectedly miss a jump, tumble off a couch, or get startled by a cucumber. These sudden fails are always hilarious because they're so unexpected. Cats can master complex hunting skills, yet they will stare blankly at a clear glass door or attempt to hide behind a flimsy curtain that completely exposes them. Attention, students! We interrupt this educational broadcast for a very important announcement. We have a new and hilariously uninvited guest on campus. Watch what happens when this funny feline decides to take a field trip to school. Get ready for detention-worthy laughter. You know the sound of a shower turning on? Well, for this cat, it sounds like an air raid siren. Watch the hilarious, epic battle of cat versus water. Seriously, try not to laugh at this dramatic freakout.
I buttered the pan and then I put cinnamon on the pan.
Yeah. I'm so hungry I could eat a cat. An orange cat.
At 11, and then she proceeded to spill her coffee on me. It got on my pants, it got all over.
Cheese it.
You like the warm clothes? Okay.
That's all the Funny Cat Chaos for today. Thanks so much for watching. If these hilarious moments made you smile, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to The Pet House for your daily dose of feline comedy.
O calor tá intenso. Olha só, olha só.
See you next time at the Pet House. Which of these options feels like the best fit for your channel's energy?